Yo, what's up, fam? It's your boy StrayCaster. We're back at it again at River Lakes or RiverWalk with the special edition of trout fishing, guys. It's active. Stay tuned, guys.
So you
see you later, little dude.
You need to bite the hook?
Yeah, so well, as soon as he sucked it in, boom, set the hook.
I gotta get a treble hook on there. What do you want, a treble hook?
No, just fucking regular hooks, dog.
Single hook, huh?
Single hook, dog.
Maybe that's what I'll do. Single hook if
Do I
I
put a
can.
different kind of PowerBait down?
No, put the same one.
Okay.
Put the green one.
A little bit more like 50.
Okay, finish it. You say hi to Kelly already?
Hey, what's going on, man?
Nice to meet you.
I think I met you one time before. That's alright.
Good short-term mem.
I'm out here trying to get the skunk off, dude.
I don't remember when I saw you.
I gotta get the skunk off. You use the PowerBait?
He's using the PowerBait, the green one.
I got a lot of PowerBait, dude. Green one.
You saw? Did you see how fast I caught it?
I saw you throw out there, like literally.
I showed legit, huh?
You going back?
Yeah, I threw it back. I'm catching and releasing, dog.
Dude, look at a slaughter picture. And I'm talking Jason Slaughter.
You get a slaughter picture, dog, or what?
Not talking Jason Slaughter. I was like, you know what? I got time. I ain't that tired. Funny old Harold's all, how do you go do stuff when you get off work? I go, because I'm not going to live my life. I'm not going to live my life.
I'm not gonna fucking just roll over and die, homie. See how fast I caught that, dog? I didn't even see you coming.
Doing stuff over there?
No, that's homeboys. He went to a restroom. Some other guy. I don't know, just some guy that was here before me. What was that? Yeah.
That's all I gotta do is get the skunk off and I'll go with the jib. Okay, that looks like good. I left it open.
Did you see that one? That was a nice size one, huh?
Good looking, man. To be honest with you, he didn't fight very hard, but that's alright.
It's all right here, big dog. Yeah.
I was telling you, you don't have to balance this scrub here. Close to shore though, huh?
Yeah, can you see him?
That guy was close, dude. Got one?
You saw that, dog?
Give me one look, dude. Give me one look. I know how it works, big guy. Number 3. He got one.
Nice. Bring him in, dude. Here, hold on. Hey, look, pay attention. Hit him. Next time, just fight them in the water.
Okay.
Don't take them out.
You mean that
You're gonna, look, you're gonna hold it up. You can see, do you see a hook in there?
the hook?
You're gonna put your...
Yes. So you mean that if I catch another one, just leave it in the water?
Yeah, and
Okay.
Somebody bit the tip right off of it, dude. Hear me?
what was that?
Bit the tip off.
Off the PowerBait?
It's trout, right?
Yeah.
The kind of
Hey, are you guys keeping her or let her go? Huh? Shit. This guy swallowed it.
Go back. The guy was dead a long time ago. Sorry, yours, dog. I took myself out of here.
Come on, big dog. Woohoo!
right here, fine, right?
Yeah.
I thought I was telling you that caught it that.
That was you?
No,
Yes.
no.
Nice.
I thought it might be on somebody else's line though. Because there's a weight right up above you. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Now you don't see it look back. You know your dad's
See him, David?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I lost count. I caught a whole bunch of them. He got a whole bunch too. He just changed his clothes. Nice, good job, David.
prettier fish.
Here, David.
Color wise.
David. Here, so you can take off the hook. Yep, keep them in the water. Keep the line tight so you can see the hook. Got him, big dog.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome. He left.
Fighting very hard, man.
Huh? There you go, big dog. There you go, big dog.
Drop kicking.
Here you go, big dog.
Actually, it's pretty hard. He ain't very big. You know what I did?
Would-
Just rainbow PowerBait.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not that it matters, but you know, sometimes it does.
Yeah, it's true.
Dunk's over.
Shit.
You know, that's what, like when I was catching them that one day, man, boy, that thing was chock full of PowerBait.
Yeah.
Chock full of green PowerBait.
Yeah. I'm like, dude, hooks at him. What in the world's wrong with you, dude? Fish on, big dog. Fish on again, my man. The tug, bro.
I've seen these little ugly little river planters a long time, dude. Although the river planters are better than these.
Yeah. See you later, little dude. Yeah, dude. I don't know where's my reel at. Everything's out of control right now in my garage.
Yeah, I feel that. Look at all the shit I lost for so long and then finally kind of start finding stuff. Everybody's gonna be gone Friday though. You know?
Woo! Everybody's gonna be gone Friday? Where? Your family?
No, the guys at work.
They're going to Arizona? This is a nice one. For what?
For baseball.
Oh, okay. Nice. That's a little champ, dog. This is fighting a little good, dog.
Huh?
This fighting a little good. Fighting like a little champ, dog. Come on, guy. Come on, guy. Get over here.
Get him on.
Green. The chartreuse, like sparkling green. Yeah, with the little glitter. Oh, they're smacking it, dude. I was here earlier. Yeah, and they're hitting the worms earlier. And then, yeah, but I had my work boots and everything, and my freaking feet were hurting. So, I went home and I came to pick up my son too, so he could come have some fun, you know. Ah, birdie lip. Look at that.
Oh,
That little dude. See you later, my man. Get out of here. You're free.
I got your line.
David,
Got
get.
a major league miss.
Come on, David.
It's all right. There you go.
David, you gotta pay attention where you throw your line at.
He was good. That fish swam across it. Actually, I don't know, dude. From there.
Easy little guy. See you later, little dude. Let me see if I can see the motherfuckers. Oh, they're like in the middle. See where that pink PowerBait's at? Kind of like they're all right there, dude. Stacked up. All right, so I figured it out. Instead of trying to set the hook, just reel it in.
Just real tight.
Yeah.
It's funny, like when you go salmon fishing, that's what they tell you. Just reel down. Don't set the hook. Just reel up, get it tight, and you'll catch the fish. When you set the hook, you'll lose it every time.
There you go. See?
You hit it?
Yeah. There it is, big dog.
Ah, that's a little one, though.
Tiny one, dog. Look at that, dude. Like a little thunderbolt, dude.
Damn it.
Come here, little baby.
Well, I tell you what, as much as I struggle with like baiting and shit on the bank, I'm glad I'm not my foot tube on my kayak.
See you later, little dude. Got him. Good job, David. Good stuff, dude. Bring him over here. Bring him over here, dude. Here. Good stuff, bro. It's a good size one, dude. Good job. Good job, dude. Huh? You know what they're doing, Kelly? We got a whole fucking kindergarten class. Got him.
Got him. Oh, dude.
Come here, little dude.
Huh?
Said, come here, little dude. Until it.
What I have was really little dude.
Feisty little fucker. Come on, dude.
It's a shame when you look down and you can see them flash up and the little flash of silver.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, hey, I'm gonna get one at the same time. It came off the hook.
Let's go, little guy. Later, bro. Thanks for kicking a little homie. Yeah.
I use these for like bass, which right for the secret collective.
I know, the secret sauce, dog.
I mean, this guy's great.
That one's tiny, dude.
Tiny, dude. Yeah. I thought that was able to get that one.
Oh my god, that one's a bigger one.
He's always complaining. I mean, kid, if you get the May 31st,
Good stuff, David. Good stuff.
Good job. Yeah, if she gets the
Keep that rod tip down, yeah.
if she gets to the end of May, then she's gonna be on a vacation for a 2-week month.
How old is your wife right now?
52.
Oh, dude, she's there, bro.
She's got 3 years.
Here you go, Abby.
3 years. Done.
That's a nice one, too.
Can't handle it. Can't make it.
She can't. She can't wait 3 years, dog?
It's a big deal when she makes it to work the whole week.
Damn, is that bad, huh? Huh?
I said, probably caught his limit.
Yeah.